Welcome again to our training channel. For those who are new, please consider subscribing so that you can continue learning together with us and you can be able to find all our previous trainings and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified on all upcoming videos which we will upload on our channel. Today, we are going to look at major preventive service for reliable operation. This will be a 500-hour maintenance. A 500-hour maintenance is something which is repeated, not like the first 50-hour service. For 500, it is repeatedly. So we will do it at 500 hours, then we'll repeat the same at 1000 hours, even though there will be some extras which will be added at 1000, but the 500 hours will be repeated, all of them at 1000, and we will repeat it also at 1500, 2000, 2500 as the sequence goes. The interval 500 we will do same service. So please welcome to this training, construction machine 500-hour maintenance. This service is critical preventive maintenance milestone that ensures machine reliability, safety, and long service life. So, what is 500-hour maintenance? Here in our schedule of preventive maintenance, we are looking at the oils, the condition of a machine where it is working. For example, these oils, as the machine works for long, it loses its viscosity, so it have to be changed. The filters gets clogged, so they have to be changed. So 500-hour maintenance is a scheduled preventive service carried out after a machine completes 500 working hours. It focuses on system health, wear control, and performance restoration. Why 500-hour maintenance is critical? Someone might think I'm wasting money on buying filters, buying oil, paying service engineers, paying technicians to do this job. No. At 500 hours interval, where increases, proper maintenance at this stage prevents failure, reduces downtime, and protects expensive components. So supposing you did not do service, then your engine will break off. So you have to replace the engine. Maybe the transmission is broken down, so you have to replace the transmission. So this maintenance is helping you to keep all the expensive components in good working condition and the machine in a healthy condition for a long period of time, so you can benefit from it. So here we are going to look at each system at 500 hour service. What are you supposed to do on individual systems? For example, first we will look at the engine. For engine maintenance at 500 hours includes oil and filters replacement, fuel system servicing, yani what I mean, at 500 even fuel filters have to be changed, and the inspection of belts and hoses to ensure smooth and efficient operation. Don't skip anything. It will be really shameful for you to do service today, then after 1 week or after 2 days, the operator calls you and tells you the machine have broken down. So during this 500 hours service, make sure you check everything. Check the belts, check the hoses, there's no any leak, to ensure machine is in good health. Let's look at hydraulic system. The hydraulic system is the heart of construction machine. At 500-hour service, filters are supposed to be replaced and the entire system is inspected to prevent pressure loss and oil contamination and leakages. Remember, in hydraulic, we are fighting two things: pressure and temperature. So at 500-hour service, at 500 hour of operation, the machine have worked enough for you to tell it will have a problem or it will sustain the working condition. Then we come to transmission and final drive. Transmission and final drive components are inspected carefully at this interval to prevent costly drivetrain failure. We look at cooling system. Overheating is a major cause of machine failure. Cooling system inspection at 500 hours ensures proper temperature control under heavy loads. And remember, some of the machines are working in the bush. We have machines working in the mines. We have the machines working in the quarries. So at 500, maybe the fins of the radiator is already clogged. So you have to check, clean, and make sure everything, the levels of coolant, everything is fine for the cooling system. So the machine will sustain the operation. We look at electrical and battery system. The electrical system is checked to ensure reliable starting, charging, and sensors communication. If you have a bad battery, of course, the sensors will not communicate correctly. And machine, maybe when you come, you want to start your task, the machine cannot start. So those delays in the project, they are very bad for the customer. So you don't need to cause any delays. You have to keep your machine in a healthy condition. Let us look at structure and undercarriage inspection. Structure inspection at 500 hours help to detect cracks, loosen, and excessive wear before they become safety hazard. Remember, if anything is loose, it becomes hazard. It can cause accident on the site. And if it will cause an accident, it will bring delays in the whole project. So structure and undercarriage inspections is important. For the undercarriage, you have to check the traction. Maybe it needs tensioning, so you have to tension it. For loosening of any bolts, you have to check it depending on the machine. The safety locks, you have to make sure all of them are in place. We look at safety systems. Safety systems must always be tested to protect operators and site workers and the machine itself. So for the safety of machine and manpower on site must be checked time to time. But at 500 hour must have a thorough check for the safety. Maintenance record. Accurate record helps track machine condition and ensure future maintenance is not missed. In summary, 500 hours maintenance is not optional. It is essential for safe, efficient, and long-lasting machine operation. Our call to action: maintain on time, work without breakdown, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. We meet in the next lesson.